In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use automation to share blog posts across platforms, saving you tons of time and boosting your content's reach. Stick around because I'll also give you a special tool recommendation with an exclusive free trial just for you. First things first, let's talk about why automation is so important. Manually sharing your blog posts across every social media platform can be time-consuming and inefficient. That's where automation comes in. By automating your process, you can schedule posts ahead of time, customize your messages for each platform, and ensure your content gets shared consistently. Plus, you'll free up time to focus on other important aspects of your business. Now, let's dive into how to actually do this. The software we'll be using today makes it easy to set up automated workflows that can push your blog content to all your social media channels like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Instagram without lifting a finger. First, you'll want to connect all your social media accounts to the software, which usually takes just a few clicks. Once connected, you can set up a campaign where you choose which blog posts you want to share. Here's the game changer. This software allows you to create a custom post for each platform. For example, what works on Twitter might need to be reworded or formatted differently for LinkedIn or Instagram. With automation, you can set up templates that auto-generate these custom messages for you. This is a huge time saver and ensures your posts are optimized for each platform's unique audience. Once your templates are ready, you can schedule your blog post to be shared across all platforms at the perfect time. The best part? You can set it and forget it. The software will do the work, sharing your blog posts on a schedule you choose, whether that's every day, week, or month. Now let's talk analytics. The software we're using also tracks how your posts are performing across different platforms, so you can see what's working and what's not. This helps you fine-tune your strategy over time. If a specific post performs really well on LinkedIn but not on Twitter, you can adjust accordingly in the future. If you want to follow along with this tutorial, I've got a special exclusive offer for you. The software we're using today is offering a free trial, only available to viewers of my channel. The link is in the description below, so make sure to grab it before it's gone. The key takeaway here is that automating the process of sharing your blog posts across platforms is a total game changer. It saves time, boosts your reach, and allows you to focus on more important tasks. Remember, automation helps you reach more people without more work. To quickly recap, connect your social media accounts to the software, create custom templates for each platform, schedule your posts, and track performance with analytics. And don't forget to grab your free trial in the description below. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to check out the free trial and start automating your blog sharing today.